Guys, so today I am going to be getting my hair professionally done by one of the top stylists in Chicago. I've heard great things about her. I'm super excited. I actually cut my hair not too long ago, but didn't really do it the right way, so I'm gonna have her do it. And I just really want my hair to be even. I kind of want to start over, and I want my hair to be even, so that's what we're going for today. And yeah, it's really nice outside. It's like, well, it's kind of cold, but it's like a sunny day, and it's one of the first nice days in a while, so I'm excited about that. Okay guys, so I'm here with the master stylist, Lala. She said she's going to be giving me a steam treatment, so I'm pretty excited. What's your Instagram?
XOXO4_Roma.
Okay, I'm going to put her Instagram down below in the description box and everything, so you guys can follow her. And if you're in the Chicago area, you guys should definitely come to the salon and get your hair done by her, because I heard amazing things and I know she's going to do a great job with my hair.
Stay tuned.
Okay, so this process was probably my favorite part of the entire process, is getting a shampoo treatment. I love when other people shampoo my hair. She did a really good job at shampooing my hair. I did have quite a bit of dandruff before she started, so she did a really good job at massaging my scalp and shampooing the hair, thoroughly cleansing it. But yeah, anyways, I was in heaven. I love getting my hair shampooed. Okay, so the next thing she did was she applied conditioner all over my entire head of hair, and she massaged it in, and then she used this brush to detangle my hair. And when she was detangling my hair, she was starting at the ends and working her way up to the top to detangle it, and she detangled in sections. And for the back, she used a wide tooth comb to detangle my hair, and she just put all of my hair into twist. My twist looks so juicy and healthy. So after she put my hair in the twist, I was able to sit underneath a steamer and start the steam treatment process. And I believe I was under the steamer for about 30 minutes. After the steam treatment, we went back to the chair and she rinsed all of the conditioner out of my hair. Now onto the blow drying process, and she did put a heat protectant in my hair. I think we didn't get a clip of that, but she used some type of a Aveda heat protectant, and that's the heat protectant I actually use when I straighten my hair most of the time. So I was happy about that. And then she decided to go ahead and start the blow drying process. So she blow dried my hair using a Denman brush and the concentration nozzle. And I think she really took her time to get my hair as straight as possible with the blow drying process, because my hair was really blown out when we were done blow drying it. And when I straighten my hair myself, blow drying my hair is probably my least favorite part. I always get lazy and I don't do a thorough job. So she did a thorough job and she blow dried the heck out of my hair, y'all. So on to the straightening process, and she used this tool to get my edges laid, and my hair was slick, y'all. Like, my hair was super sleek. I don't know, I can't remember the last time my hair has been so straight, because she did an amazing job. So after she straightened my hair, I wanted a haircut. I needed my ends trimmed badly. So that is what she did. And that is basically the main reason why I came, because I really needed my ends cut. It was just out of control. I had split ends out of control, y'all. So I did write in my book that it's very important to get a professional trim at least once every 6 months. And so that's what I'm doing today. So she took off about 1 inch of my hair, and when I say my hair and my head felt so much lighter. Like, you guys, I feel like with all this hair I have, just walking around, it's really heavy, and I never noticed until she did my hair, and now it feels so much lighter. So I'm very grateful for that. So these are the results, and I am in love. A huge shout out to Lala for doing my hair. You can follow her on Instagram at XOXO4_Lala. And I'll put the information to the shop down below in the description box as well, so you guys can check it out if you're in the Chicago area. And if you do go, make sure to tell her that I sent you. And if you guys are not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And hit the bell so notifications will come straight to your phone. You can follow me on and my social media at Miriam J. Hampton. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Hey y'all, this is my hairstylist Lala. She did an amazing job on my hair. You guys should definitely come through and visit her. The information down below. Yes. So if you guys are in the Chicago area, come by. Thank you.